All right, good morning, everybody. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Jay Hart, you first in here, man. You got it this time. Morning, Jay Hart. To Mimi. Morning, Jesse. Morning, Chicago Trader Corey, Fishon, Snook Argo. Good morning, Kevin Kim. Already in here, ready to short. Neath. Look, I got the momentum scanner on the right side to start off the day. There we go. There we go. My Tradecaster stream. Good morning to Wild Boy, Blair, Ski Trade, the Trader, Amy Young. So Wild Boy is indicating the golden cross on Nvidia. So the golden cross, that is the EMA's crossing. Let me see. But I mean Tesla gapped up a little bit. SPY is still holding. I think if we want to get the next move here on the stock market, I think it's got to be pretty soon because SPY has been consolidating around that $400 mark for a while now. So if bulls don't get out of here, they are going to get smacked right back down. So if you look at SPY on the bigger time frame, for example, like just look at the 4 hour. Like we came up to 400, consolidated 3-4 days, went back down, came up again 400, 401, 2 days, came right back down again yesterday, day before yesterday, consolidating at 400, 401, 402. So we can't move a dollar and then slam back down, and then move another dollar and then slam back down, and then move another dollar, and then what? We got if we want to get a nice run with bulls, we got to get this thing going. I mean, I could see 410, 415 if we really get out of here. If not, then this is going to have some giant sell-off candles right back down. Let me check out Nvidia on the 4 hour. Oh, well, Nvidia is pushing, though. Nvidia, see, this is the kind of move I want on SPY. Nvidia hasn't made the move, though. Same thing with Tesla. Tesla's got a pretty nice rally. Look at this. Tesla's gone from 101 to 160, so I would almost be anticipating Tesla to be pulling back pretty soon. I thought yesterday was the top, but then again, pre-market today, Tesla comes up for another high. So 164.11 now is our high. If I'm looking at the daily, this thing is going to have another gap up. So 161.42 is the gap. So we might come down and just close that real quick, tiny gap. I don't see any more room on this unless it's 166.19. That's it. If this should not get over 166.19. I don't think. I don't think this has room over 166.19. Morning Kexidix, morning Tin Bal, Terrence, QNC, my bread and butter today. Did you short up there at 1.7? Oh, dude, today's gonna be a tough day, dude. I gotta make more money than I made yesterday. Today's gonna be a tough day. I gotta make more money than I made yesterday. And yesterday, having my biggest P&L day, it's gonna be tough, man. It's gonna be tough. That was funny, Sergio. Alright, if you guys are coming in on YouTube, make sure you guys hit the like button on there. As far as penny stocks, I got a couple. So QNCX, I think this is the one that Kex has just mentioned. This one was actually holding up, and it was my #1 watch, but I saw it up here when it was still holding 150. As soon as it didn't hold 150, this thing is right back down. Okay, so you got break of 1, and then you followed this thing 140, 160. Yeah, this one, if this would have kept holding around this area, like this 1.4 to 1.5 until the open, this was definitely going to be a nice one. Now, I'm not saying it's not, but if we get back above this level, I mean, even just VWAP, if this thing reclaims VWAP and holds VWAP for the open, this will be good. If it doesn't, it might be one of those that just tries to push through VWAP and then just ends up selling right back down. Gets a bunch of buyers excited and then just sells right back down. So I don't know, but I'm gonna watch it. I still have it on my #1 spot to keep an eye on it. If this thing holds up, I'm gonna long it. If this thing just doesn't hold up, I'm gonna short it. And the only reason why is because that 1.7 is really, really, really close to the 200 moving average. So it's almost already there. It was 185, so it had room to 185, and it went from 80 to $1.70. So 110%, 115%. Next one is AUVI. This one looks interesting because it daily looks like we try to push, sold off, try to push, sold off, and then again we try to push, and now we hit the highest high possible. So this one, for one, it might have a lot of shorts trapped, and two, it might actually make the bigger move just because this is kind of like almost the third time the stock pushes. The only downside is the 200 moving. And now I keep track of the exponential and the simple average on these things, and the exponential is sitting right there at 170 on this thing. This thing would hit 172. They're investigating illegal short selling. Okay, okay. Wow, boy, mentioned your golden cross in Nvidia. So Nvidia comes down to 193 for a call today. I don't want it to run away at open. Yeah, yeah. Vegeta, what's your plan today? I don't know, man. I can't. I feel like I can't ever plan my shorts uh, when the market hasn't opened yet. Like I need to get better at that still, because some of these I feel like I probably should have even morning Fadji, morning Tech and Money. Some of these I feel like the best opportunity should have already happened. Like both QNCX and AUVI hit the 200 and moving averages, like literally by a penny. This one here, 2 pennies could have shorted there, and then QNCX didn't quite hit it, 10 cents off. But you start seeing the stuff, the stuff, the stuff. That's when you start adding, and then your risk could be that 200 moving average right there. Risk 10 cents, and you're now up 50, 60 cents on the trade. 50 cents, so kind of iffy there. BZFW, no, BZFD, sorry. This one was a play yesterday. I obviously didn't come back and trade any of this at all. Nvidia, hopefully we do, man. Hopefully we do blow off the top or just close strong today on everything. SPY is what I'm telling you, that SPY is the one that needs to run. Anyway, so BZFD, hopefully you guys, if you're wrong, you go broke. AUVI, I'm thinking AUVI could be a nice long as long as it keeps holding levels. That one might be one that keeps running just because of daily. BZFD though, this one could, if you keep holding, let me see. I don't mind this level here. Like 260s, 250s on BZFD. If this level keeps holding on BZFD, I could see next leg from here. Pop back over VWAP and get the squeeze through $3. So $3 would be the high. You're also still kind of holding those 200 moving averages, which they're down at 230s, 220s. So this one might actually get some nice movement here as well, BZFD. Especially with yesterday's leg, yesterday's big momentum. Now, if this one doesn't do anything, then just expect it to go sideways, and hopefully we can set a nice inside bar candle. Somewhere around here, holding 240s, 220s at the lows, maybe that 200 moving average. Maybe even $2, but if it holds $2 all day today, maybe tomorrow or after hours or pre-market tomorrow will be nice. And then TCBP, this one I'm not that interested in. Volume's not the best. Amazon, I am still kind of interested on that same leg, on that same move. So if we hold this 99.50 on Amazon, I want to see if we get $100 on this thing, or just even come close to $100. It's Friday. Oh yeah. Okay, Monday. Meta popping off. Okay, AI news up $50 on QSCR pre-market. Taking money is always green pre-market now. But Heta, do you have your eye on any short? Anybody, Kevin, do you have your eyes on any shorts today? We have 2 minutes till market opens. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. See a couple of you guys in here. Good morning, Diana's. Good morning, MJ. What's up, bro? We need to do a session soon. Finally, you've been trying to catch one of my lives, bro. Hi from Australia. Dang. What's up, man? I'm from Australia. What time is it over there? Amazon, man. If Amazon holds this 99.50, I would like to see Amazon hit that new high and hit $100. I hope this thing doesn't run in the first minute because I could see Amazon just. It has a previous high at 99.89, and I want this thing to hold 99.50 first before I take a decent size on this one, and I want to see if we run up to that new high in $100. As far as Tesla, another high today. Like I said, the highest high I could see Tesla run before it needs a bigger pullback is 166.19 daily level. It faded through that level, and before that it had clean bounces. So 166.19. So if we get a push up to 166.19, I will be looking for shorts. In the meantime, gap fill down to 161.42. That's probably gonna fill it real quick. If we fall out of 161.42, we could see it pull back down, but right now I think the daily on Tesla is making it pretty hard for me to trade because this thing is up a lot, and so I don't know which way it wants to go. GNC and QNCX. QNCX might squeeze though. I feel like we missed shorting opportunities today, but not really sure. It's Friday. Low news, low gap scans. Could see QNX move above. Yeah, I think that's what I was thinking too, Kevin, and both Kevins, QNCX and AUVI. Even though AUVI might still run, I think both of those had some decent entries up there. All right, market's about to open, guys. So here we go. I did I did collect my garbage, so let's see if that helps. I'm gonna watch Amazon, just because Amazon up here is giving me some possible trade to the, well, don't you just hate it? Don't you just hate it sometimes? Don't you just hate it sometimes when they do that? Tesla sold off again, pretty aggressive. BZFD holding that 258. I mean, Amazon might run. I could catch a pullback to 100, but I don't really want to chase this in the first 2 minutes of open. And I'm okay with that. I'm not gonna force trades just because. But I could see Amazon hold 100, maybe give me a flag just under 100 and see if this one wants to keep running for one more leg out of here. QNCX already wants to pull down. Amazon, I don't see any selling pressure here. This is a move I looked for yesterday, and this is a move that I was looking for today, and it just happened here during during literally the first minute of market open. But if I get another small pullback here on this one, I might add long to see if we hold 100 now and keep on running. Nope, didn't even pull back, so Tesla holding that 161.42 level. That was closing the gap fill on Tesla, so let's see if we hold it. BZFD popping up a little bit. AUVI still holding up. Amazon is absolutely going, man. Oh, never mind. AUVI is the first one to flush. Yeah, I know. The same thing. Well, boy, same thing. No pullbacks, missing our moves. Snow at WW. Good morning, Poppy. Fat G calling out a wall on BZFD. Okay. Somebody said Mark going, so I'm going to put it here. Mark's got some room. I see Mark. I see Mark. Hold on. I did open some Amazon calls yesterday, so I have to close these. Tesla might be going for high. If we get this strong momentum, I could see. There goes BZFD. Watch BZFD for a nice 5-minute flag and see if you anticipate the break of 3. Dang, Amazon went without me. That's so annoying. I'm still watching. No trades yet. Don't want to force anything. I'm watching AUVI flushing. QNCX maybe wants to hold up a little bit. Tesla, to me, this thing just looks so extended. I don't see how this thing could keep holding. Like, it literally wants to just short it here. Oh my god, forget about BZFD, man. So right now my range on Tesla is this 164.11 or this 161.42. Break either direction, I'm following it. QNCX is popping up. You guys want to short QNCX, or you guys are going to follow QNCX, see if this thing wants to keep pushing up? Yeah, we should have smashed BZFD short. Oh my goodness. QNCX might be doing the same thing though. Here's a new high on Tesla. That to me already looks like a fake squeeze. That thing popped a new high without really hitting the high. Amazon could be flagging though. If you guys see, Amazon could be flagging. Penny stocks, mark turned back around. AUVI nothing, and BZFD nothing. Momentum scanner is live for you guys as well. The only thing I might be seeing is QNCX, and I'd be a little careful with the same thing BZFD did. SPY needs to break out of there as well. That 404 level. No trades for me yet. Looking for a good trade here on Tesla or Amazon or anything. I'm watching BCFD to hit yesterday's close. If Tesla starts looking a little heavy here, I might be taking this. QNCX is still going. Did you guys get a good entry on here? It's kind of tough to take that entry there. Watch that left side though, that left pivot on earlier, right here. Watch this pivot there. If you can hold this pivot there, or even 150, that's one of the quality setups you can find. Looking at Amazon, this thing is screaming long to me. I might be buying some Amazon down here. Kind of risking this $100 here as my level. kind of risking this $100 level on Amazon for some long and see if I can get a nice push all the way back up to high day on this one. So far, it doesn't look like a lot of people are stepping in here to catch this bounce, but I'm still in here. Tesla to me looks getting stuffed a little bit. Amazon turning back around. I want to get this candle new high and see if I get a nice move all the way to new high day. I'm using that $100 whole number on Amazon to catch this move back up. Haven't sold anything here. 1,500 shares long. I want to catch this downtrend break and see if Amazon wants to still squeeze to new high. I might start taking some off. I still have 1,300 shares left. Looking for this squeeze here, looking for this squeeze here. Nope, a bunch of selling coming through, so I'm going to let go a lot of my shares there. Taking some more off here on that squeeze, on that pop 3 highs there. I'm going to take it all off for now. Take that profit. $476. Look at this Tesla stuff. Do you see this Tesla stuff? This tells me Tesla does not want to keep pushing higher. I'm going to follow Tesla back on down. I'm going to look for Tesla to give out VWAP. That to me looked like a pretty big stuff. Adding on these pops here on Tesla. If it's for some reason comes back up, then I'll stop out, but now I'm using this 164.11 as my key risk there. And there's a push back down. Do I get the move through VWAP now? Amazon could not go higher. Tesla, I am short here with that huge rejection at the top. I'm looking for Tesla to lose this VWAP level. To me, this is still looking decently weak, but 164.11 is my pivot. You see a clean touch there because that's that previous high we had. I added a couple more shorts there on that tiny pop, still risking that 164.11. I would love this candle to close right below that and then really lose this VWAP. I can see a lot of sell orders come through, but it doesn't want to keep pushing down. I'm about pretty much negative 100 on the trade here. There's a lot more sell orders, back down to $50 in red on the trade, but if I get this thing to push down pretty good, here we go. There we go. Now keep going back in the green. This is where I want to see this thing really push down. Nope, it doesn't want to. It should have gone right there. Let's just one more try. If I get a new high here, I'm out. Don't tell me I'm gonna have to wait one more candle here. One more whole minute here. AUVI spiked to a new high. CNTX didn't do anything. Lower high here on Tesla. Now I got 15 seconds left. This is looking better now. 3 candles could not get above this 164.11. Let's see if we get a big smash back down. There we go. How, dude? How? What the heck? Why? This is the second time today Tesla pops a new high without making the actual high. That's the second time. But what a stuff. How is this holding? Am I trading Tesla or am I trading another GNS? Am I trading Tesla or am I trading LYT? What is happening? Am I trading Tesla or am I trading freaking manipulated penny stock? What is happening? How this should be literally fading down. So I'm holding. Oh my gosh, somebody's literally holding it right here. This should fade pretty hard. This should have a pretty nice drop through VWAP. There's no way. I've been holding this trade here for like 4 minutes at break even almost. Here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Dude, this has got to go. This has got to go down. What is happening? I literally can't even read the chat because I've been staring at this candles here. This is probably one of the weirdest trades actions I've ever seen on. I'm gonna close this just at break even. Negative 160. I have never seen Tesla behave like this. It just didn't want to go down. It didn't want to go down after two major stuffs. That was weird. All right, what do we got? QNCX, nothing for longs. I've been looking at some penny stocks still on the side, and I want to find a good trade again on the penny stocks so I can trade with you guys. But look, AUVI flush in, QNCX flush in, BZFD coming back on up a little bit. Man, yeah. So SPY's ripping. I see that. Let me see. Up 37 on 50 shares. COSM moving for you guys. I would not short nothing today. Okay. Pretty sure Tesla was at a golden cross too. I don't know, man. This Tesla to me, it seemed like something was holding it up. It had two stuffs, pretty big, and then right here was all sell orders coming through on my time and sales, and this thing just held. Kala popping up too. Okay. I'm gonna replace Mark because Mark is not doing anything. I'm a little upset that I didn't smash any shorts on AUVI or QNC or BZFD, man. All of those are. My last thing could be if I get a Tesla to pop a new high and really doesn't want to, I'll get a higher entry up here. Risking that 166.19 maybe. So now I really want Tesla to squeeze here and then see if I can catch some shorts. Kevin, I'm short BZFD and QNCX. Good job, Kevin. Do you not trade large caps at all? Like you just focus on the shortings, on the shorting them? Because that would be ideal. But obviously, I'm beyond BS. LOL, this sucks, man. The move I was waiting for just went right past me. Same thing for me on Amazon, man. That's why I bought some calls yesterday just in case. And you know, I made like 800 bucks from yesterday to today on those calls with Amazon. So I'm glad. Amazon trying to go for a new high though. SPY still ripping. Tesla, there's a new high on Tesla, but to me this Tesla just doesn't seem, something doesn't seem right today. I'm watching Tesla for a short against 166.19 or even this level right here where it's stuffed twice. If we can't hold this, I have a small starters here, but I don't know. It's something just, I feel like something is literally holding Tesla up today. Like it did it to me all down here, so maybe I should have flipped to the long side just because I noticed some weird stuff. But I still think Tesla should be against 166.19, hopefully. What the I'm not that confident on this trade here now, but frick. To me, this Tesla is struggling so hard to push up. How is it holding up? What? Look at that. If I get a new high, I'm going to average up. If I get a squeeze out of here, I'm going to stop out. But, oh, didn't average there. I mean, unless this thing really is going to squeeze the heck out of me. But that 166 level is where I'm looking to just have my stop and see if I just catch this move back down on Tesla. Okay, let's see if we can actually look. Let's see if we can actually behave like we should. Let's see if we can actually behave like we should. Here we go. Keep popping down. Back down to these stupid levels down here. What is Amazon doing? Stuffing at a high. What is SPY doing? Oh, SPY's absolutely ripping. Holy crap. There we go. I might honestly descale a lot of this trade here, but you got my heart now. Wow. Okay. Do you actually want to sell off? We got 13 seconds left here. I wanted as slow as possible, otherwise it's gonna bounce and go right up to highs. But have 600 shares short, pretty good average, up like 300 on the trade. But I was red on this one, so I made it all back, and now break even basically. So made it all back. So now I am green. Oh my gosh, BCFD! What in the world? What in the BZFD was that? I did not expect that. The BZFD had a huge stuff in the first 5 minutes and then went back up to high. Oh, don't tell me Tesla. Now you're actually going to fade. Amazon still breaking through 100. Let me see what you guys are doing. Man, today it was unfortunate because I was in a trade on Tesla for like 5-6 minutes that I didn't have time to hit any shorts. I gotta be a little bit faster. I guess. I should have hit. I should have hit AUVI at the highs. I should have hit BZFD on that first push and QNZX as well. So a little unfortunate for me there. Hopefully Kevin's and the Kevins are destroying, and Thomas. I don't know if Thomas is in here. Let me read some comments for you guys so I don't completely ignore you guys. Can you now break it 200? Okay, Kex says market maker on ODTs going to consolidate 4 minute, then should flush. AVI 172 breakout stop is 164. Nubs another ripping on no volume. Still have BF on watch. BZFD ripping. BZFD bull flag. Oh, Kevin got stopped out. That's right. Hey, way to stop out though. Way to stop out. Way to not get squeezed on that one. Blair is out on Tesla, up $108. Kevin Bochili, no trades for him. What are you using for trading? This is Thinkorswim. TD Ameritrade is the broker. Thinkorswim is the account. SPY is ripping. So I did mention SPY had to do something. It has to rip today because it just got to get out of this range. I am up, what, like 500 bucks today, but that's not a lot. So I'm up 480 on Amazon and $40 on Tesla. So I'm up just literally 500 bucks on the day. But I want to go into the thousands to 2,000. So we got to bump it up. We got to bump it up. BZFD, that huge spike, I'd be a little cautious just because that thing just stuffed twice. If you slowly grind that thing back up, though, to $3, then yes. You know, Tesla does not want to go down today. So what do we do? Just kidding. I'm gonna look at it here. This thing, I'm looking at that still 166 pivot. If this move here fails to hit a new high, I will follow this with another short. If this thing just makes a newer low, a lower low here, I will follow this back down. Oh, Amazon just ripped, so holy crap. You see Tesla now using that left shoulder over there. I know Amazon is ripping, but Tesla is in kind of its own world, so took some short there on Tesla there. Oh, did not get full size, but finally this thing really wants to pull down. So I'm in 300 shares here on Tesla. Finally this thing is behaving like it should. Oh, never mind. That thing just bounced all the way back up. What the heck? Okay, dude, this thing has got to sell off. There's no way. I would like to see it move back down to 164.11. Here it goes a little bit. There it goes. I'm going to cover a third. Oh, it just wants to bounce. I don't know what's happening. There goes BZFD. If we get BZFD here close over $3, watch it. Or honestly, let me see. If you're shorting scalp, my man, I'm telling you, we're bullish today. I'm going to run. No, I'm still short Tesla. Tesla's, look at the daily on Tesla. Tech and Money, BZFD, runner on BZFD, small size, stopped out, mark potential, SPY and ripped every Friday this year. SPY has ripped every Friday. Oh, I just read your comment twice. BZFD, though, is kind of looking interesting. You could reclaim $3 and get a nice push on this one again. The daily is looking a little extended. This thing is up 40% today. Kevin Buccilli, what does 40% mean? What do I do at 40%? Look at that. I would have caught that Tesla short. I still would have been Tesla short. I shorted Tesla at 166 this morning, and I mentioned it. 166.19 would be my risk on Tesla. And look at this. 10 cents off the high. So either way, I was still trying to call the short up here, 166.9. That's pretty crazy. I called that before market open, and again, it's holding very well up there. AUVI, num num num, fat G's eating on AUVI. See, I gotta get better at trading these the way some of you guys trade them, because I wouldn't have seen anything on this stock. Like here, I would have looked for this pullback there. I would have taken this trade if this wouldn't have stuffed. After that stuff, I get scared, so I don't play those. Tesla right back up again. Do we aim for a Tesla new high? Do we chase this for a Tesla new high? $165.29 level is pretty clean there if I get some rebounds, some retests. Small scalp Tesla here long for 166.19 break. Never mind. Now that I actually want Tesla to go long, now that I actually flip long, this thing does not want to go long now. Like it was holding so well all day, has a big squeeze back up, kind of like goes right in front of shorts, and then I don't want to scalp this thing, but that to me is a UVI again, dude. Oh, now Tesla wants to sell off. Now we want to get the move through VWAP on Tesla. If I get a big push down, 164.11 cracks, I'm short Tesla for the actual big move down now. SPY is pulling back. Amazon definitely getting stuffed, so I could see it. No, I'm not going to touch it right now. I can't just scalp it left and right. I need to wait for the good trade. What about the big gap from yesterday's Tesla? So it not need to be filled. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm really short on Tesla. Today, no trade, I guess, for you. Or BZFD. No trade short for me. The only one I'm still interested in is BZFD if I get one more pop over 3. But I'm kind of scared if BZFD wants to pop over 3 and hold 3 that this one might actually get another run because this one has already gone. See, good thing I didn't just scalp this thing. You're way heavy on BZFD short. The only reason why I like BZFD is we cannot get over 3. The only reason why I'm scared on BZFD is because you had 2 stuffs already. There's 1 stuff. There's 2 where shorts are piling in. So if you still go against them and try to squeeze it, this one could squeeze again. So that's the only reason why I'm a little cautious here. Tesla again. If we pop up 165.29, that level there, I'm long for a new high a day, but. QQQ just ripped after testing yesterday's highs, up 420 on Tesla at the moment, but it's extremely choppy today. Today has been a little choppy. We didn't get the usual push like we usually do. Kevin, did you re-enter BZFD or whoever shorting BZFD? Saw this stuff, but it's holding that 180, 280. I'm shorting 166.03 Tesla. Do you stream every day? Yes, I do this every day, completely free. AUV. Sorry, now I tried getting a okay, BZFD. I'm interested on a short. Hold on. I start off so cold in the mornings and then I get so hot. Probably fat AUBI in the toilet now. Yeah. Short it back down, Fat G. Right now BZFD is potentially my short. Tesla has been choppy today, so just be careful there. And even I think penny stocks were a little choppy today. Maybe a few entries here and there, but quick scalps, QNCX, maybe quick bounce of view up there. AUVI. I really wouldn't have seen a trade here. Looking back at the chart, I don't see a possible place where I would have for sure taken the trade. BZFD, unless this candle pulled down first, I would have taken that because this is stuff lambs right back into short's face, take that pullback, and then this squeeze. But if this squeeze there and then squeeze and then push back down, I didn't see it, so I wouldn't have taken that. Does that make sense? BF has a 10-cent spread. You tried AUVI and took a loss? Oh no. Bro, AUVI should have been short for me. I guess Amazon was the one that saved me today, though. Amazon up $400 on Amazon. Not a lot, but I'll take it. Nvidia's ripping. Wild Boy's all over it. Wild Boy was calling Nvidia all day. Oh, I guess we should have known Nvidia's also at a $200 level, close to it. Had a nice flag there at $199 for that $200. Um, maybe, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's why I'm interested on it. But maybe this tries to go one more time and actually fails again. I don't know. At least right now, I noticed that Tesla is starting to just consolidate, and so I decided to not trade it, and I'm saving myself some money. I think I was 30 bucks here, so I went negative, and then I closed it back to 19 profit. So I'm gonna wait for the direction of either two. Oh, is Nvidia about to double top on the hour chart? Wow, boy, what do you think with Nvidia? Let's see. Oh yeah, 201.66. But here, when you see that, and I see this right here, well, that's a little too low. You could catch a small pullback to get that high, to get that double top. This is a small scalp. Unless I get a good entry, like this thing pulls back, pulls back, pulls back, pulls back, and I can add big down here at that $200 whole number and look for that new high. Heck yes, I'll do that. That's okay. If this doesn't break a high, that's okay. I would like Nvidia to pull back. You gotta find the good entries, and to me, this looks like it's right here. $200 previous pivot, target of 201.66. It'll catch a bounce right there. Yep. I don't want to chase it here, but I do want this thing to pull back. I think we could get that tweezer top like Wild Boy and that hourly chart. SPY is at 406. That's a good. Finally, SPY had to break out. Nvidia, I mean, I could have gotten some runners in there for that 201.66, but now also, let me see the 5-minute chart on this one. Now that we are getting to this level, like we said, this could be the resistance. So a lot of shorts are waiting up here. Man, BCFD, I'm waiting to see what that thing does. Either pushes up or we short it. Nvidia, I'm not going to jump in on this one here just to short the high. Sometimes I do that, like today on Tesla. As soon as it was going straight up to 166, I was shorting. But that's because I know Tesla's daily is super strong and super gapped up, so there's no way it would have kept running that much. So I decided to. But Nvidia, haven't been watching it. I would wait for true stuff, a lower high, and then short that back down. Tesla's trying to like break out of a downtrend here and head for new highs as well. You know, Nvidia hitting highs, SPY hitting highs, Amazon hitting highs, Tesla maybe a small pull. Looking for a new high here, scalp size, but I want to see if I get a high and this thing runs. Finally it runs. There it goes. Nope. You guys see how heavy Tesla is, right? You guys see the quick rejections up here. This is what I'm talking about. This one stock in particular is up so much. I really don't think this one's got it anymore. I think this thing is so heavy up here. So I am gonna be looking for some for some Tesla shorts. This thing is up a lot. There's no way. I almost want to buy some long term. I'm gonna buy some some puts far out, I think. I'm starting some shorts on Tesla up here. If I get a squeeze, then okay, I'm completely wrong on this stock, but this thing is so extended on the daily. It feels so heavy today up here. Like it just cannot break out. Right there, one of the highest volume candles all day and just could not break a high. So I started some shorts there. Good move down already. So here we go. Tries to pop up. I will hit some more shorts here as this thing pops up for the bounce. Thinking it wants to go, but it's not. There's a move lower again. There we go, there we go. So I want to see this under 165.29. I want to be cautious of this retest, so I'll take some profit there, but I want to see this thing really move down. BCFD cannot get a new high. It looks heavy, but it looks squeezy consolidating so much. Here we go. I really want to see Tesla move on lower again. I'm still short Tesla. I have not covered anything. I'll cover a tiny bit there, I guess. This thing keeps catching bounces. It's ridiculous. This is insane. Never Well, I guess never in a month and a half of trading Tesla have I seen action like today. Never. It'd really be nice if this thing you just give it out. Oh, watch BZFD. Watch BZFD. Oh no. I was about to hit the short sell button on that one, but I had to locate my shares. Dark Mix, you're still in there, right? You're still in it? Dude, Wobble, I know you keep saying the cross, but look at Tesla, dude. Look at the daily on Tesla and go back in history and tell me a day that it gapped up and it's up that much that it kept holding. Oh wow, this is going for a new high, or it's gonna stuff again. Stuff didn't. I'm telling you, this level up here is a lot of sellers. It's also a daily on Tesla, so I'm holding up here. Like, look at the Tesla daily, dude. This thing has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green days in a row from 120 to 170. Oh, there you go, Dark Mix. There you go, Dark Mix. And plus, not a lot of people are going to know what the Golden Cross is, so they're not looking for that and actually trading it or just buying it because it's a Golden Cross. I mean, I'm sure some do and see it, but I'm still short Tesla at 166.19. I'm still short. I'm not stopping out there. I might stop out down here, but I'm still short against 166.19. I'm still short Tesla. Follow this back down. Give me a nice push down. If you guys took that Nvidia double top on the 4 hour Blair, you got 20 cents of potential loss there, and that thing did pull back a little bit more than it pushed up. So that's good way to use the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. Look at the high. If it's a big level like that, you can play it like that. 166.13. Dart mix. How long are you holding that? Dark mix. What's the golden cross? All right, let's see what you guys got. How are we doing today? I'm a little struggling today with Tesla. I'm not gonna lie. I cannot find a clean move either direction. Oh, but I did say I was gonna buy some puts. I'm buying some puts on Tesla long term, like a couple weeks out. If I get burned on them, oh well. But to me, today's action is telling me Tesla is not gonna move higher, and this thing needs to pull back. I could buy uh, a put spread as well to minimize my risk. So I might do that and then buy some naked puts. So I am going to do that. The only thing that worries me is Amazon's got earnings not too far from now. I think beginning of February. And so, but I am going to buy some puts. And I could see daily level 60. Alright, so I bought some puts on Tesla long term. Decent size. And I am going to buy a put spread as well. This one's going to be a little smaller. Alright, so I got those in there. Oh my gosh, Dark Mix, let's... Oh, you're out. Oh, okay. Tesla's going to move high. That's okay if this thing does, but... You know, this is why a lot of traders get burned. You see green and everybody starts buying. And if I look at Tesla on the daily, there's no reason I think this thing needs to buy. I mean, yeah, it had a nice pop. Yeah, it had a nice squeeze. But, see right here. If you look at this day, runs, gaps, consolidates, last push, barely pushes over the highs, and then boom, gets smashed back down. If you look at Tesla today, we are sitting right here. We're sitting right there on Tesla. Look at this. This is perfect, guys. Look at... Alright, I'm going to show you this. Alright, watch this. This is my Tesla daily. Let me go ahead and clear all this so you guys don't get messed up. Alright, so where was that? Right here, you know. You get the huge gap. You hit the huge run, right? You get the gap up. You push higher. You try, you get it, but after the gap up, you kind of stall out, create a top, try to get that push, and then get slammed back down. Why? Because shorts are already here, and then they add there, and then you get pushed down, halt down. You know, this goes from 380 down to 320. Similar move, halts, resumes higher, stuck, maybe last push, maybe not, sells back down. Tesla today. Same thing. Runs. Flat top, halts up, pushes higher. What is this going to do? You know, especially with this 160 right here, 166.19 level that I was watching. You know how many sellers are right here in this whole area? Even if this thing pushes slightly higher here. No chance this thing pushes up into that level. This has got to pull back down. This has got to go back to this gap. This has got to go back to 150. Hopefully. Oh, look at Tesla. Oh, look at Tesla, baby. Oh, look at this move. Oh, look at this move. Keep selling off, baby. Keep selling off, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, Tesla. Come on, give me a little pop here so I can follow you down, you trash company. I'm just kidding. You're a good company, I think. People just hate you, Elon. Sorry. Now, confirmed, we could not hit highs today. We could not hit highs. My high risk reward trade is right here. If I get this thing to try to push up, I'm going to take some big shorts here, risk high of day, and see if we finally get underneath VWAP on Tesla. That goblet really ants here. That's the level. Look at this. I said 166.19 before even market open, and look what high Tesla hit today. 166.28. Yeah, you're good, Wabo. You're good. Good stuff, Blair. Good stuff. Institutions buy at VWAP. I'm streaming on YouTube as well. And if you go to YouTube, for everybody that's on TikTok, if you guys go over to YouTube, you guys will see my full layout. So you guys can see my actual screen. On TikTok, it's pretty hard because it's a vertical screen layout. So But anyways, Foxo, Tamimi calling out Foxo. Man, no shorts. Oh, okay. I was gonna say no shorts today, but here we go. Wow, this thing has a lot of room to 150 though. This thing has a lot of room to 150. What timer frame am I using? I trade on the 1 minute, but obviously I'm using everything else to trade it. Man, I am botching some shorts today though. Tesla's action today definitely distracted me, so no shorts today so far. Amazon is back for highs. Juan Trades on YouTube. Yeah. So just look up Juan Trades, or the actual link will be in my TikTok bio as well. So I do stream every day, completely free. I don't charge for anything, so you guys can find me here every morning. Sometimes TikTok likes to be crazy and block me and ban me, so if I can't stream on TikTok, I'm live every morning on YouTube. Got 120 people over there right now, so you guys come on over. Spy short from high would have been prime. Good call out on Foxo. I'm here now, haha. Oh, there we go. Do I have... Guys, anybody new today here for the first time on my stream? Anybody new? Looking at Tesla here. This thing gives me a nice pop again up here. I'm going back down short. Welcome to the stream. If anybody's here for the first time, welcome in, guys. Appreciate you guys coming in here. Amazon high again. Amazon was due for a breakout. Amazon is one that I definitely was long on. And if you look at the daily, just look at the daily and then come back and tell me why, because that one I was bullish on. I got some calls yesterday. I'm still holding them today. I think I locked up 800 bucks on it already, and I still have some open. Yeah, so I have... I still have some. I still have 2 calls open. I covered a big chunk, but... Wicks on Tesla. Yeah, I am seeing it. You know, Tesla to me still looked like it just didn't want to fade today, but if we get confirmed... Look at this. Any news on Foxo? Phew, I have no idea. You know I'm not the person to ask for news, bro. All I can do is look at the... Is there live news? Foxo Technology shares halted on circuit breaker. White Lightning motors are trading lower by... I thought it used to pop up a thing. It doesn't tell... Oh, here we go. Nope, it doesn't tell me. Foxo right here. Oh, it doesn't tell me why. Honestly, I didn't want to hit the short on this one because I thought this one has a little more room on the daily to a dollar, $1.50. There's a lot of wicks up there. $1, $1.50, $60, $70. All of these lines right here that I got. If you guys took Tesla short 166.19, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're now sitting at 164. That's $2 a share. What's going on with BZUFD? I don't know, man. Behita, what are you short on? Oh, I'm not short on Tesla anymore. I got out. 165.87. Oh, you are short Tesla, Behita. Nice. So got a lot of new people here. Welcome. Foxo has room to 116 and 150. A lot of new people on streams today, so welcome everybody. Welcome. What was I gonna say? Kevin, and both Kevins. You guys hit any shorts today again? Awesome. I got a couple more new people. Foxo long at 103. Small size. Took profit on the way up. All out 117. There you go. There we go. Somebody also Timothy also shorted Tesla up there for the trend line. Got 50% back already. 50% return on his contracts. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, look at Nvidia, guys. Look at this. That previous pivot. I was telling you. Previous pivot, $200 right there. You could catch a bounce. I missed it. I missed it. I also mentioned this one out. Foxo is halted. Again. Okay, now again interesting. Now it's time. Now it's time for the shorting. Now it's time for the shorting. I got my shares. Foxo. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, Tesla big reversal. Holy crap. That's why you take gains on the way. That's why you take gains on the way. Next level on Foxo. Honestly, I might take some long now Tesla for that break. Let me see this 5-minute time frame. Even if it doesn't want to break out, I could see the move still to 166.19, but I'm gonna be a little cautious here. Big push on those candles there off those at that VWAP. No clean entry there. Not chasing this. Foxo though, I have shorts now on Foxo. Amazon still new highs. I like it. I like it. I like it. Nvidia still back up from that $200. Foxo, are we hitting this? Are we smashing this in resumption? Kevin's, my Kevin's, my Kevin's, my Vegeta, my Oso Polar. So somebody else saying they still buy puts again at 166 if it struggles. Uh, it's like the third, fourth time coming up to 166. So in this case, I would be a little more confident that they would break it. But the next play is not shorting the 66. The next play is wait for it to break. If it's weak and comes back down under 166, there's where you take it. Foxo though halted at 28.50, so this should resume at 33, right? 33.50. So we got about 2 minutes. Yeah, so there goes Tesla. So so if this is weak at any moment today again and comes down under 166.19, there is the place to take the short again. So I'm not touching it right now. This is like the third, fourth time that it comes to that level. As a matter of fact, it actually might keep running. So I would be even looking for a small pullback here and follow this higher. Retesting that 166.19, kind of getting this now to be support. But Foxo is my main watch right now. I need to look at this daily pretty good. If this was to spike straight up to 150, which is not telling me when resumption is, it doesn't tell me a price. If this was to spike up to somewhere in the 150 area, I might just take some shorts and risk that 150. So this has 1 minute left to open. Somebody says they think Foxo's gonna keep going up. That's okay. This thing halted what already twice? Halted twice. If this thing gets one more push to 150, I might be entering some short up there on Foxo. I do gotta be careful. This thing, if it gets through 150, this thing could get up to 170s, 180s. But there's like 3 days up there where it got rejected. 173, like 180, and then 184. The UVI curling back up. Tesla, look at that 166.19 holding. You might catch some nice bounces there for the long if that thing keeps rejecting. Let me make sure I did get my shares for whatever reason it didn't. Okay, yeah, I got them. So I'm looking at Foxo. If I get pushed to 150s, I might be entering short. Oh wow, what a weak resumption. If this gets one more push after this, come on, give one more push. Okay. Does it get 150? Does it get 150? One more put. Here we go. Here we go. Watching. Up to 150. 145. I want to see 150, 150, 150, 150. Da, da, da. You already know who's in this. You already know who's in this. Oh, not halted, not halted. Who's in here? Beheta, you in here? Kevins, are you in here? Beheta's in. High five, Beheta. Who else is in here? Oh, look at that. Tesla long off of 166.19, guys. Easy support and resistance levels. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. I said watch the long 166.19. Literally, I mean, you'd be down. If you took it exactly 166.19, you literally would have been down 9 cents on the trade. And now you'd be up 80 cents. Hey, Raphael, man, what's up? I feel like I hadn't seen you in here. I feel like I hadn't seen you in here in a long time, man. Here's my Foxo trade right now. Oh my goodness. I hope this thing falls off the cliff. Not gonna lie for my low eyes. Tesla's still pushing. Tesla's still pushing. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. I gotta watch Foxo. Foxo halted at. OTM got some at 132. That's good. My average is 36 actually. So I'm up here. 136. I'm right there. Mighty and Crispy got stuck at that halt down. Dude, I don't. The way that they trade, man, it's just ridiculous. Like, you cannot. Their strategy of buying the dip on a halt resumption is. You know how many. This thing halted twice. Why are you buying the halt resumption on the way up? I hope this thing really pushes on down. It might bounce, honestly, but I could see this thing still push down a little bit. Um, I took profit early on Foxo with a long trade. There we go, Isaac. Good stuff. Way to take your profit. Bejeta's in at 135. Nice, Bejeta. Nice. I got 75% of my ad though. I added twice. The first one was the full ad, so I got the full ad or the 50% ad lower, and then I added a quarter higher, and then I was looking to add the last quarter as close as possible to 150, but I didn't get it. Okay, this halted at 36.03 though, so 37, 38, 39. It should be at 01, right? 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So at 41.03, this should be resumed. So this should resume at 41.03. I don't know. Why does this thing keep minimizing every time I touch something else? I don't know that I want to cover right away. Ape Trades. He's got a lot of stuff going on. I think we had mentioned, I don't think it's like private information, but I think well, no, I don't think so. He's having a kid on the way, and so he decided to focus a little bit on other stuff. I think he's trying. This should resume. Oh, beautiful resumption here. Panic selling, maybe. This is literally like CUN yesterday. I covered a small portion there. I might honestly put a stop and see how low I can ride this one because I did this. I took a lot on CUN and I followed it down with not that much. I mean, I might take some off closer to VWAP area, but this is literally giving me CUN vibes from yesterday. I should have followed that Tesla long at 166.19. Dang it. I mentioned it and then I got busy with this one. I missed it. BZFD. Oh my gosh, BZFD. Holy crap, dude. That stock is like a worst nightmare for longs and shorts. is the worst stock to trade for longs and shorts. BZFD. That was yesterday's run. AUVI too. AUVI now popped back up, and it seems to be flagging at pivot of. Oh, never mind. It just flushed. As soon as I said that, that candle just flushed. But it has that pivot there at 162. You can make a lot of money. I had money. Let me see. I could see Tesla, Amazon, Nvidia topping out. Maybe. So look for the biggest stuffs. Look for the lower highs. Look for the retucking under in key levels or something like that. Tesla, you could just draw a simple uptrend on that last push from like 164 to 167. If you crack trend line, look for the lower high. Same thing with Amazon. Amazon's been trending up all day. You know, I'm not saying that Amazon is going to sell off. Amazon has earnings in a couple days from now, so they might pull back, have a nice pullback, but they might end up keeping running all the way until then. I knew Amazon should have ran today, so I should have held more or something. Alright, I covered more, and I'm putting stop at break even, and that's it. I'm not going to look at it. I'm not going to look at it. Alright, there we go. Wow, as soon as I said that, Amazon sold off, and Nvidia sold off, and Tesla looks like it's hanging off a cliff. Alright, quick questions. Anybody got any questions? Foxo go long. Heck no, I'm short on Foxo. It's all about Bitcoin. Just a reminder for everybody, if you guys are completely new on TikTok, YouTube, and Tradecaster, if you guys are new to trading and have any questions or want to learn, I do offer a course for you guys. Link in the TikTok bio, link in my YouTube videos, Discord link as well. You can find the link there. Oh, Tesla. Let's see. If you guys want to learn, there is also a discount there. 150 off is a discount. If you type in 150 off the checkout page, you will get $150 off my course. Starts from complete beginner level all the way to advanced strategies, everything that I use. And you guys have me to ask any questions at all. You know, any questions for mentorship, review your trades, or anything like that, you guys are there to ask me. And I do really work with the people in my course. Like, anytime they have a question, I make sure they understand it. I explain it as thorough as possible. Let me see. What are we looking at? Amazon falling off the rails. Nvidia again. Nvidia 200. If you lose 200, go under 200. Maybe that's a short. Next big level on Tesla 175. Oh, I doubt Tesla's gonna go that high. I think I saw you set a price level and the price automatically displayed. How do you do that? Uh, OTM, your look is worth $13 for 1,000 shares. Builder guy, can you rephrase your question? Are you talking about on here on? Are you talking about on Thinkorswim? Foxo is trying to come back up a little bit, but I'm still in it. Even if I get stopped out, I already got a decent gain on it. This could be just a higher low. I mean the lower low here. Yeah, so okay, so I think I saw you set a price level and the price automatically displayed. Here, if I click my ladder, it automatically puts it in the charts. Is that what you're talking about? Well, once it goes in the chart, I can drag it anywhere. I don't know. Like, if I buy one share here. Oh, look at that lower high there on Foxo. Um, so usually what I do is I buy it there, and then I would put my stop underneath. Oh, frick, that's too close. I'll put it like underneath like that, and then I can drag it. I don't know if that's what you're asking. Or are you talking about just this that it actually shows it there? Oh, this. Yeah, so you have to right click one, I think, edit properties, and put, right here, show price on the right. Or that's what I have. So I think defaulted is do not show. So if it doesn't show, every time I put one, it's not going to show it now. Oh, actually it does. I guess, oh, I guess it didn't save. Do not show. Oh, save as default. So you put it to on the right and then put save as default, click OK, and then so from now on, every time you put a chart, the price is automatically going to go there. Got it? Got it. Awesome. Next question. I'm kidding. J Hart, he's talking about the green. Okay, yeah, thanks, J Hart. Out of those Nvidia puts, Rome got 79% on Nvidia puts. Dang. Man, Amazon really sold off there for a second. Tesla back down to 166.19. What are we going to do? I want to see this trend line, though. I don't even know how much I'm up today. Where's the link for the Discord? I'll send it to you right now. I'll send you guys, if you guys are watching on TikTok, my link to my Discord is in the bio, and the link to the course is in the bio. I cannot post any links on TikTok. I just can't post them on the chat. It doesn't let me. So you guys have to go over to my profile, hit the follow button first, and then you're able to, here's my Discord link, and on the Discord link, you guys can reach out to me at all. There it is on YouTube, and here it is on Tradecaster. And everybody on Discord, you guys stay active. Any questions there, ask me, ask anybody else. Hold on, what was I doing? Okay, here. I was importing my trades. BCFD trying to go higher. There is no way it just did that bump for nothing. Yeah, BZFD could be breaking out to $3 again. Let me import my trades to see how much I'm sitting at today on Thinkorswim. If I'm not wrong, 585? Oh, I'm only up 585? Dang. I thought I was up like 800. Don't you just hate that? Oh well, I'll take it. Yeah, I could see BZFD. Honestly, I could even see Amazon continue down low here. This level here, this 101.75, we could not crack. I could see this thing pull down again. Hold on, let me see what my even Amazon calls are at now. I probably should have closed some higher. All of you guys are freaking out about Amazon going up. I'm still holding my puts, and they are literally back to break even. Yeah, my two Amazon calls are still up 400. I should have closed them higher. But I think things have completely switched. So I'm going to watch for this 166.19 on Tesla. I'm still holding short on this other stupid stock, Foxo. So I'm just going to hold that. not saying Tesla can derail today. That's another one of my words today. Derail, or not today, just in general. Derail and dump. Those are my two favorite words. But if we crack this trend line, Tesla cannot catch a bounce. This thing will sell off back down. I should have taken this one there. Oh, there goes BZFD. Oh my god, what a rug pull on that thing. Oh my gosh, what a rug pull on that thing. That's why when you're scalping those, I grabbed a couple of Nvidia calls here at VWAP, quick stop loss. You're about to go long. If you're taking those longs on those things, you have to get the low entry and you have to get the, like, if you see this, and this is one pattern that I see a lot that I do like, and you caught it, Vegeta. This goes for everybody. When you get a stuff, right, and you see that high, like let's say this is the high, you get a stuff, and then you kind of consolidate down low. When you get a nice volume push right back up, and then it flags, that means that this push, a lot of people stepped in here, a lot of shorts didn't cover, and when you get this consolidation on the next push, you oftentimes will break out. You know, when you consolidate lower off a stub, then push back up, flag with an obvious target, you will get that push. You will get that push. And that's what this did. You know, you get that push right there, you get that push right there, you get the stuff back down. You consolidate at the lows, but you don't break any lower, right? You consolidate, consolidate, and then watch this push back up into a flag. Look at that volume. Again, pushes back up. So now people are watching it again. And this flag, as soon as you see this push back up after consolidation with a high target, this is where you start, you know, take that ad, take that ad, take that ad as low as possible. And these would be the plays, you know, when I was trading these penny stocks aggressively in good days. You take this trade here with 10,000 shares, 5,000 shares, you go from 280 to 310. That's how I was like, you know, sometimes would make $2,000 in like 5 seconds because this thing would just go from here to there, take it off the table, and then this thing would right back down. Although sometimes they hold the next level. So in this case, this could have squeezed here, close high, and then now held this level here, flagged here, gone for the next leg. If you guys are lost, you guys can always go back and watch these videos. Every single live video is recorded and stored in YouTube so you guys can go back and watch them. Let me see. Raphael, you're out of Foxo. Raphael, you got paper hands, Raphael. Raphael, you got paper hands, bro. AUVI doing the same thing. Look at it. They're not letting shorts get their way today. Raphael's got paper hands. Raphael's got paper hands. Vegeta, you still in on Foxo short? You gotta go to work. I'm kidding, Raphael. Vegeta, you still short on Foxo? Anybody else was you got out? Vegeta's got paper hands. Vegeta's got paper hands. Blair's out for the day. Who else was in on Foxo? OTM was in on Foxo. OTM, where you at? OTM, you still short? OTM is out of Foxo. OTM's got paper hands. OTM's got paper hands. You guys got paper hands, bro. You gotta get solid diamond hands like me. Look at this. Indestructible. Coin coming up to a big resistance level. Got it, got it. Here, Wild Boy, here we go. Wild Boy did take some calls he mentioned at that $200 level VWAP, so that's a good play there. I will say though, if Nvidia loses that 200 today, ooh, ooh. If Nvidia loses that 200 today, ouch. Why am I watching this stock? Man, Tesla, this thing. AUVI beat you up today. AUVI is going for it. Does AUVI have shorts? $0.02 a share on AUVI. Hmm. Okay. I located some AUVI shares. Let me see. Big squeeze on AUVI. Does this actually flush this time too? AUVI is one that had a big flat top at 172, so watch this one. Be careful with this one. Potential squeeze. I wish I would have gotten the ad up there at 190s. I had just located my shares, so I'm watching here. Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim is what's been glitching on me. And I collected garbage today, so it's not doing anything any different. So, uh, Deckmark, if you're still in here, did you nail Foxo short side? Did you nail Foxo to the short side? We nailed it here on chat. He didn't trade it. Oh, man, this AUVI is kind of holding up still though. Tesla right back up to highs though. AUVI, I would really like this thing to lose 172. That's the only thing I would like this to lose. 172. Daily on this thing, 172 is the 200. We're breaking out of it. Strong daily on this thing. Actually does have a flat top there at 196. But this is holding here, so I'm not a big fan of this. It's not giving you that. It got giving me that quick follow through down. Pull back down on 172. I might just cover a little bit. I did get in, but not the best entry here. Not a big fan of this play because this 172 holds. That's 200 moving average on a stock that wants to gap up. I'm out. So I made tiny profit there. This stuff made me confident. But if I take out that stuff, this 172 is 200 moving average, and this is pulling back to that 172 with low volume pullback, I could see this thing go again. The rejections today are violent. Rome C, how are you doing today, Rome C? You still off to a good start now? Started off red or no? So I made tiny profit on this thing. I just didn't like it, so I got out. I'm gonna keep it on watch though. Nvidia, if Nvidia loses 200, man, I think Nvidia could easily move back down to 198 at least. Rome C, green still, but in one red trade. AUVI watching how it reacts near 173. Yeah, 172 on AUVI could be some long. Amy Young can after the day having internet issues. Hey, what to call it? Hey, that's one way to stop you from trading. Get some internet issues every day, and then you can't trade. And green, so good stuff, good stuff. Fat G, you also short, right? But right now you're mostly longing these plays. You've been killing it the long side, so no need to. Tesla to me looking tighter and tighter, still. Little rising wedge here on Tesla, looking tighter and tighter. This tries to go for another high, I'll short it back down to that trend line. AUVI is still trying to push a little bit. Foxo coming back. I got my stop on Foxo. I'm not even worried about it, even if it stopped me out. I don't got paper hands though. Long bias a million, but I also don't flip flop midday once I start one bias. Okay, that makes sense. Discipline, discipline. Well, I wanted a little pop here on Tesla. And I just got hungry out of nowhere. Holy crap. How much is Tesla up today? 5%. Oh my gosh. And you'd think this still got to run? That was weird. It wouldn't fill me. Do it at me. AUVI. Dang it. Beheta, did you end up shorting AUVI? I know you wanted one more, and there it is. Did you get it? You did not. Dang it, that sucks. I got it, but I got sketched out, man. I got sketched out on it. It's pretty late already, but I'm still looking for maybe one more trade here on Tesla. As this squeezes up, I might be shorting this thing still. Adding shorts on these pops here on Tesla. Couldn't break a high there, even if it does. Breaks 168. Don't do it like that. Short, short. Pile drive it back down. Don't do it like that. Man, AUVI, there it was, man. There it was. Oh, that's the one that beat you up. Yeah, I see it. Tesla 168. Dragon Trader. Dang, Dragon Trader, what's up, man? Terrace, let's go. Really enjoying the course. 61% down. I can already tell the difference. Thank you, bro. Awesome. Hey, any questions still, though? Any questions? Let me know. If you start trading and you got any questions on your trades themselves, let me know as well. Tesla's over 20 days line. Oh my gosh, Nvidia, I'm telling you, if it loses that 200 on Nvidia. Oh, actually, Nvidia's selling off. SPY's selling off. Amazon's selling off. Come on, Tesla. Come on, Tesla. Give me one more trade down. One more trade down. One more trade down. Lose this 167 level. I'm looking at one more trade here on Tesla. I'm already short. I'm in the red, but I want this thing to keep pushing down a little bit. It just made a nice recovery, and I mean, honestly, I've been short Tesla all day long, and it just keeps going. But one more final attempt up here. Oh my God, BZFD, what the heck? What is happening? Nvidia retesting 200 from the downside. Could be a short. Here goes Tesla down. I'm looking for this 167 level to give out. 167.67 here. If I lose this 167.67, I could get a nice push down. VZFD, man, honestly, you might even be setting up for another short. Oh, but I don't have locates on that one. AUVI is the one I had, and Foxo is still one that I'm holding. I really don't want to take a decent loss here on Tesla, as that I was up like almost 600 bucks. Don't want to give profit back, but I just don't think. I don't think it. I don't think it. I don't think it. I don't believe it. I don't trust it. It's a good thing if you guys noticed that even when I started today, I could tell Tesla was, the tape was strong on Tesla all day long. You know, and I should have actually flipped long on big dips and gone long, even though I was still, my daily's telling me this is a short play, but today it's still, the tape from the open was telling me that this thing was strong. From like literally that first trade I took here, I was like, what the heck, something's up, something's up, so. Nvidia to me looks like a nice little flag under 200. I'm being very patient with this trade here, but watching it like a hawk. It can't break out. Every time it hits a high, it barely does it. Every time it goes green, the red shows on the tape, but then the same thing it does backwards. It keeps making higher highs, and every time I see the red flash on the time it sells, it just boom, pops right back up. Boop, rises back up. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's got to go. It's got to go down. It's got to go down. Selling pressure's coming in here. This is where it's got to go down. 167.67. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 167.67. Back in the green. There we go. 167.67. Here we go. 167.67. Selling pressure's on now. Start taking some of these lows here. New lows. New lows. New lows. Back in the green on the trade. Come on. 167.67 is the level that I want to crack. Oh, big selling there. Big selling there. Come on. Keep pushing down lower. And then it does that. That's what I'm talking about. There was nothing but red on that tape there. I want to hold it just a little bit. Be patient with it. 167.67 is the level. If I pop a new high, I'm out. But you can see this thing wants to push down. It just cannot. A new high there and gets sold back down. This also happens when you trade later in the day and the movements aren't as quick and fast. You know, everything is a little more choppy. That's why I like trading Tesla in the first 30 minutes. I'm so close to just calling it a loser of 150 bucks here, or even less if I get it to be a little closer down. Of course. I'm stopping out. It just cannot push lower, man. Something with Tesla today cannot push lower. That trade right there upset me. That trade right there upset me. So I'm gonna have to call it there. So you guys take care. I'm gonna call it there. I'm still green on the day, like $200, but I don't know what's going on with Tesla today, and I'm just not gonna sit here and fight it. So you guys take care. I'm still holding Foxo short. AUBI was a small winner on the short side, but that's it for me today. Tiny green, but I'm gonna call this green and walk away again. So you guys have a good weekend. Appreciate all you guys being here, and I will see you guys on Monday. So weekend. So I'll see you guys on Monday. You guys have a good one. Any questions, go follow me, or you guys can ask me on the Discord. Everybody on TikTok, I stream on tradecaster.com and YouTube completely free, so you guys go check me out there. Green day today, but I'm calling it on the week. You know, I think still over 2K maybe. Oh wow, 3K. Never mind. So yeah, definitely no need to stay. Yeah, 3K on the week, so no need to stay. No need to fight this. No need to fight this. So see you guys Monday. Y'all guys have a good one. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday. You guys take care.